8th Mathematics, Chapter 2, Rational Numbers. Dear children, let us recall the points what we have studied in our previous video class. First point, 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. 1 is called the identity for the multiplication of rational numbers. A is the negative of minus A and minus A is the negative of A. Next point, minus A by B is the additive inverse of A by B and A by B is the additive inverse of minus A by B. In general, we say that a rational number C by D is called the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of another non-zero rational number A by B if A by B into C by D equal to 1. Children, today we will learn the fifth property, that is distributive property or distributivity. Distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. To understand this property, consider three rational numbers: minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 6. Let us consider minus 3 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4 into, in the bracket, 2 upon 3, the second number 2 upon 3, plus, in the bracket, the third number minus 5 upon 6. Simplify this term, that is minus 3 upon 4 into, take the LCM of 3 and 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? 6 is the LCM. Write 6 here. Common denominator is 6. Okay, in the numerator, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 2 2s are 4. Write plus sign. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Multiply minus 5 by 1. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. That is equal to, write minus 3 upon 4 here into, simplify this term. Okay, 4 plus into minus, that is minus 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Write minus 1 here, divided by 6. Minus into minus, that is plus. 3 1s are 3. In the denominator, 4 6 are 24. Answer is 3 by 24. Simplify this. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. Answer is 1 by 8. Now consider, in the bracket, minus 3 upon 4, first number, into 2 upon 3, second number, first number into second number, plus, in the bracket, minus 3 upon 4, first number, into minus 5 upon 6, third number. Okay, simplify this term. Minus 3 into 2, it is minus 6, divided by 4 3s are 12. Put plus sign here. Minus 3 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus, 3 5s are 15, divided by 6 4s are 24. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. Therefore, answer is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 8. Now take the LCM of 2 and 8. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Okay, 8 is the LCM. 2 4s are 8. Therefore, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Okay, minus 4 plus 8 1s are 8. Therefore, 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. Answer is 1 by 8. You will get the same answer, 1 by 8. Therefore, minus 3 upon 4 into in the bracket 2 upon 3 plus in the bracket minus 5 upon 6 is same as in the bracket minus 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 plus in the bracket minus 3 upon 4 into minus 5 upon 6. First number into in the bracket second number plus third number is same as first number into second number plus first number into third number. Distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. For all rational numbers a, b and c, a into in the bracket b plus c, which is same as a into b plus a into c. First number into in the bracket second number plus third number is same as first number into second number plus first number into third number. Distributivity of multiplication over subtraction for rational numbers. For all rational numbers a, b and c, a into b minus c is same as a into b minus a into c. First number into in the bracket second number minus third number is same as first number into second number minus first number into third number. Consider one problem. Find using distributivity. First one, 7 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5 into 5 upon 12. Observe this problem carefully. This problem consists of two terms. Okay, first term is 7 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 12 and the second term is 7 upon 5 into 5 upon 12. Observe both terms. Here 7 upon 5 is the common factor of first term and second term. Okay, according to the distributive property, a into b plus a into c is same as a into b plus c. Okay, 7 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12. Okay, simplify this term. 7 upon 5 into 12 is the common denominator. Write the numerators minus 3 plus 5. It is 7 upon 5 into 2 upon 12. 7 upon 5 into 2 upon 12. 2 ones are 2 sixes are 7 ones are 7, 5 6 are 30. Final answer is 7 upon 30. Exercise 2.1. First one, using appropriate properties, find. First one, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Observe this problem carefully. Here, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 is same as 2 upon 3 into minus 3 upon 5. Minus a into b is same as a into minus b. Okay. Then write the plus sign. 5 upon 2 here. Minus 3 upon 5 which is same as plus into minus 3 upon 5. Plus into in the bracket 3 upon 5 because plus into minus is minus into 1 upon 6. This problem consists of 3 parts. This problem consists of 3 parts. This is the first part. This is the second part. 5 upon 2 is the second part. And minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 is the third part. Observe the first part and third part. You will find minus 3 upon 5 is the common factor of first part and third part. So, you shift this third part near the first part by using commutativity of rational numbers, commutative property. Okay, 2 upon 3 into minus 3 upon 5 first part plus minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 third part plus 5 upon 2 second part. Observe the first part and third part. Here minus 3 upon 5 is the common factor. Bring this common factor outside the bracket, that is minus 3 upon 5 into, write the remaining factor by using distributive property. Remaining factor is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, A into B plus C is same as A into B plus A into C. Now you simplify 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. Consider the denominators 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Okay, 6 is the common denominator. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, multiply the numerator by 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. Therefore, multiply the numerator by 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Then you write plus 5 upon 2. Simplify this. Minus 3 upon 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. 5 gets cancelled. The remaining thing is minus 3 upon 6. Minus 3 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Now take the LCM of 6 and 2. LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. Okay, 6 1s are 6. Therefore, multiply the numerator 3 into 1. 1 3s are 3. Write the minus sign here. Plus 2 3s are 6. Therefore, multiply the numerator by 3. 3 5s are 15. See here. Minus 3 plus 15. Sign of the bigger number is plus. This is plus. And then subtract 3 from 15. That is 12. Plus 12 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Final answer is 2. Sixth question. Consider sixth question. Multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16? Reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is 16 upon minus 7. 16 upon minus 7. Okay. Multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. 6 upon 13 into reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Simplify the reciprocal 16 upon minus 7 here. That is equal to 6 upon 13 into 16 upon minus 7. Okay. Bring this minus side here outside. Okay. 6 upon 13 into 16 upon 7. 6 into 16 is 96. 13 into 7 is 91. Therefore, final answer is minus 96 upon 91. Activity. Using appropriate properties, find 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5.